I've been informed that we are going to the next session, and probably for those who have any other questions, you are going to insights to discussion on questions raised in the plenary session. Probably you can come in at that moment. Allow me to hand over the microphone to Professor Lin. You have been a wonderful group. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Lin. I just wanted to interject on the issue of the names. For Kampala, I have received 2 names for Butaleja, for the district chairperson and the natural resources officer. If I could also get the names for Bududa, because we need to send the names to Kampala as soon as possible, so that they can do the logistics they need. I hope that the Bududa team had a chance to agree and discuss on who.
Yeah, we are done.
You are done? Yeah, if I could have those names.
You bring your name.
Can you announce so that everyone knows?
Samson. You will be good.
Good. I like the participatory nature of this meeting, the participatory democracy as well. Good. Thank you very much. I think, in my view, so far so good. I've not in a long time had a meeting where afternoons are as lively and as active as this, but also where you have a meeting of such an important group and it's still with you up to this time. We know you have a lot of things you're supposed to be handling, but you have prioritized this. Really, this is great. I think of this, as we come towards the end of this meeting, this session won't take very long, and specifically the next presenter, who is Nathan, I am sure he wants no more than 20 minutes, so that then people can catch up and prepare to come to Kampala tomorrow for the meeting. So Nathan, welcome.